Alright. I am going to be doing is making me some breakfast here. And yeah, right before I start combing my hair and everything, we were just trying to lose some power. I'm like, please don't. Please don't. I mean, I haven't had breakfast yet. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Because I'm usually up around 10:30, something like that. And, so, because I like to sleep in, just, you know, just my brothers off to school and stuff. Because it gives my brothers enough time, and for the hot water to come back and everything like that. So, yeah. So, for now, I am updating my iPhone to iOS 7.01. So yeah, oh, the camcorder about to die on me too. So I'm not going to make me some of this Hungry Jack. It's a easy pack. And I have Fania. So that's what I'm making for breakfast this morning. So yeah, let's get everything out.
Yeah. La 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 la. Hey, boy, you never had much game, so I needed to upgrade. So I went and walked away, way. Now I seen you been hanging out with that other girl in town, looking like a pair of clowns. Remember all the things that you and I did first, and now you're doing them with her. Remember all the things that you and I did first. You got me like this, and now you're taking her to every restaurant, and everywhere we went, come on. And now you're taking her to every restaurant. You got me like this. Boy, you can say anything you wanna. I don't give a no one else can have you. I want you back, I want you back, want you back. I broke it out thinking you'd be crying. Now I feel like looking at you flying. I want you back, I want you back, want you back. Please, this ain't even jealousy. She ain't got a thing on me. Trying to rock them ugly jeans. You clearly didn't think this through. If what I've been told is true, you'll be crawling back like boo. Remember all the things that you and I did first, and now you're doing them with her. Remember all the things that you and I did first. You got me like this.
Now I want you to do. Alright. Now all I'm gonna do is see if this thing's hot enough. Okay, that's hot. So let's put this on top now. Some perfect pancakes coming my way. Ready? Okay, I have this finished. No. My breakfast. So I gotta clean up my mess and everything now. Cause look at this mess I left in the kitchen. Cause you guys can see. Mess, my plate. So let's clean this place up and so yeah. Now the kitchen's clean up. So yeah. My SkyDrive. Been doing a lot of these things for a couple of weeks now. So yeah, just been uploading a lot of stuff to this SkyDrive. Because I get like 25 gigabytes for free. So if I've been using my SkyDrive Microsoft stuff. So yeah. Oh boy, it felt way too nice outside. Thursday is supposed to be kind of cold. Like 60 degrees for a high. And that's like, very cool. Alright guys, brother, I'm gonna come back later. My camcorder just died. So I'll talk to you guys when this thing did charge up some, okay? Yeah, talk today. Well, sometime today. My camcorder's done. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I got my money, your money to go now. And like your change or whatever. And your money. And, you know, cards. So, and your license. So, let me go ahead and go out to the truck and get all my cards and put them in. See how good this thing goes. Come on, follow me. Alright. Well, I'm not moving anyway, so my camera can't break or nothing since I'm not moving. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and that's where you keep your money and stuff. Oh, that's around 7, okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these cards. So I'm gonna go ahead and try, I have a Pilot card. Yeah, fit, that's good. Oh, and I do have like a nice big fat one in it too. Okay, so let's keep below the number. So, and then I have a PayPal card. PayPal. You guys can see it. PayPal. Okay. Huh? Fits perfect. I mean, this is actually not too bad so far. I might have any problems with putting cards in it. Oh, no, don't lose that. Okay. CB's Pizza Place that we have in Florida. So put that in there. Okay. So those are my cards. My SunTrust card number and everything to tell me how to so that if I have problems with when I go out somewhere and the machines are down, I can always have this on me. Okay, so I can put it. So I put that right there. Denny's restaurant we have in Florida, pretty much around nationwide. Plan. I really need to do this. I really want to plan. I actually try to call them, and I need to call them, and you can do like a phone interview, or you can do a workfordennys.com. So put that right in there. Okay. Walmart gift card. No money on it, but I use it for gas when I have money on it. Okay. What else do we have? Okay. Oh crap. This thing can go away. It's a gas card, but no money on it. Just throw that away. Free rewards card. Keeping it, but it's kind of sticky. I can always order another one if I need to. For the free ports card with Run DC, buy low, Giant Eagle, whatever. For the gas to get cheaper. There. Okay. Red Robin card. I haven't been to Red Robin in a while, but I'll just keep the card just in case. Oh crap! I am not. I said I got a wild room here. Okay. Awesome rewards. Awesome rewards. Okay. Okay, that's it for that one. Now I got this phone wallet, driver license, my driver license for Florida, take this out, take this thing out that comes with, it's a Gino letter. I can take that thing out. Put my license right there. License. Okay. Fairing rewards card. Fairing for Sicko you can save like 3 cents off a gallon whenever we go. Okay. What else do we got? SunTrust, my bank card. And it's made in China. Lovely, okay. Crispos, Puppets, the stuff, Crispos. Really good place to eat. And I think this time I get like a free cookie when I go in this time. Put it right in there. Okay. Okay. EBT card for EBT food stamps. Winn-Dixie card. Say food puts on your card. Oh. Okay. What else we got? And for least and last, Busch Gardens pass. And so far, all my cards in one, loving it. For once, I can actually put all my cards in one. Okay. If I can ship this up. Stay on my truck. So far, driver license, all my cards all in one. And open it. Yep, pretty good so far. No complaints. Zip up. Money, coins, whatever, we will work on that. So yeah. Thank you for watching. So yeah, I put everything in that wallet. I'm gonna see if I can sell these old wallets here. I don't know how much I can get out of those and stuff like that. And my brother's just getting home, so this is my free log for the day. So I will see you guys out. Peace, amigos.